Welcome to my channel. To find something special about our YIZHAN with Anessa live broadcast, and our YIZHAN studio also update with a perfect white outfit. YIZHAN studio will update. Welcome the bracelet and enjoy the press to see him with Anessa.
代言人肖战有请。
Hello，
欢迎战战，
好久不见。
哇，战战来了，跟大家先问好。
Hello， 大家好，我是安热莎品牌代言人肖战，很高兴可以在这里跟大家见面。
好嘞，我们坐下聊。今天战战的这个打扮，大家发现了吗？非常符合我们的场景啊。今天这个场景给你什么样的感觉？
给我感觉非常的清新，然后非常的贴近大自然。
对，而且有一种这个。
Okay, so time to fun. So we start from our YIZHAN outfit. Simple look with simple white shirt, t-shirt, jeans, and white sneaker. About his sneaker, we note that our YIZHAN always wear bigger shoes than he used to say. Why is that? It's not in the first time for us to see our YIZHAN wore the big shoe, and we can say this is become his hobby. While we are talking about the shoe, I wish everyone will be sure of our Yipu shoe in order for different size. Continue. About Anessa, our YIZHAN said he usually relaxes by watching drama at home, see a movie or workout. If there a chance, he can go camping. He'll bring Anessa sunscreen. He says sunscreen is very important. Camping is still a topic of our YIZHAN talking during interview for sunscreen Anessa promote. The host also more questions about his action. Host, what are some activities that one can do during camping? Our YIZHAN answer, a group of friends gathering together to eat, talk and enjoy the natural, the sun and the natural scenery, and don't forget sun protection with the sun bathing. So all of our YIZHAN details that he's in real situation with our Yipu's camping, shooting he want to watch and support the pink movie theater. So too much care of someone who's camping with friends to take care and apply the sun to protect you of the sunshine.